Welcome back, friends. If you want to know the evolution of the training and coaching industry from the past and what is the future of this industry, as well as if you are a digital teacher, trainer, or the coach, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to explain what is the future of the training and coaching industry. So let's begin. If you want to study the evolution of the training and coaching industry, then the entire journey of this industry can be divided into 6 phases. Let's see each of these phases in detail. The first phase is about live physical events and seminar. In these physical events, we can say there are hundreds and thousands of people who will be attending the live physical events and seminar to get the knowledge. We can say the second phase of this training and coaching industry was the physical products. In this, the knowledgeable people are able to convert their knowledge into the physical books, CDs and DVDs as well as in the notes format, and then it is to be delivered to the participants as well as students. We can say the third phase of the training and coaching industry was regarding digital products, and this is started with digital books, or we can say the online books and online courses. So we can see with the third phase there is a shift from the physical to the digital. The fourth phase of the training and coaching industry was very significant and which was particularly evolved after the COVID-19. It consists of the digital events, that the world has shifted from the physical events to the digital events, and it again consists of multiple parts like live online seminars, online courses. In this phase, the trainers and coaches had moved from the physical to the digital. This has mainly evolved in last year, that is 2020. So far, whatever the phases of the training and coaching industry we have discussed, that was regarding the past as well as present. But now, I am going to explain the future of these industries, and this is typically talking about the phase 5 and phase 6. So let's understand what is there in the phase 5 and phase 6. Phase 5 has particularly evolved from 2021, or we can say from this year, and it will be gradually moving to the phase 6. Phase 5 talks about the generation of ecosystem. Ecosystem means there will be the presence of community, you have to form your community, and it consists of the 6-step approach. Let's understand what is meant by the community. Community is a group of people who will be having the similar mindset and skill set, and they are approaching towards the common goal. After formation of community, it consists of the physical products, digital products and digital events. So we can see whatever the phases of the training and coaching industry we had seen, that will be belonging to the community, and everything will be happen to this ecosystem. The next question in your mind can be how to develop the ecosystem. This is again very important if you want to become the digital teacher, trainer or coach. If you want to learn in detail how to develop your own ecosystem, then there is a very detailed course available on it. If you want to learn in detail and want to get the free course related to it, then I will be providing the link for it in the description. Now, cost of this course is generally 5,000, but it is a free for limited time. Here, I am also going to explain the 6-step approach so that you can form your own community. Now before that, let's understand what is a phase 6. 6th step is about the branded alliances. In this step, there will be the collaboration between ecosystems. In each ecosystem, there is a group of people who is working for the particular goal. And if they want to achieve the other goals, then there can be the collaboration of the ecosystems. With this, we will be achieving the win-win situation for both the ecosystems. So here, I am going to explain what is that 6-step approach. The first step is narrow down on your niche. In this step, you need to identify what is your passion. In other words, we can say that what is your area of expertise in which you want to become the digital teacher, trainer or coach. In second step, you need to start creating a digital products as we are in the digital world now. That means in this step, you need to create the online courses or the digital products related to your niche. The third step is very important to create the ecosystem, and it is talking about to start building your online community, network and learning management system. Here, to form your community, you can create your YouTube channel or the Facebook group or similar online platforms. Fourth step is again very important to form the ecosystem. You need to grow and nurture your community by providing the real value to them. You need to help the people in the community to achieve their goals. Into the fifth step, you need to find out the partners with whom you can align with. So this is very much necessary for the cross-pollination of the knowledge. This is very important to achieve the other goals of the people in your community. And the last and the most important step is create the win-win-win model. The first one is for your students or the customers who are the part of your community. The second one is for the partners who has made the alliance with you. And the third win is for you. This information is very important, and whatever the information I have shared with you, this is from the digital course which I am talking about. I will be providing the link of that course into the description. Please check out it. Now, at the end of this video, if you have found this information useful, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.